We planted some flowers.
Hello guys, today we're going to make a flower pot using containers of yogurt. First, you have to paint it white if you want it to be white or if you don't want it to be. If you want it to be like this, okay. We're using chalk paint. And if you paint yourself and then you wait for 1 day full with the chalk paint on you, it's going to stick forever. But if you do that when you finish painting everything that you want, you just clean your hands and all of them. And we are recycling the bottles of yogurt that we have. Not all of them. And we used another bottles for making more pots. But we still paint them. And this is what you get when you paint. But in another day, when one day happened, later the other day you keep painting another coat. Or you can just do like this. Just wait for a little, and when you see it's already dried, just put another coat.
This is after 4 layers of paint. This is how it looks like, and now we're going to paint it. The kids are gonna paint it, of course.
I'm painting a container of a yogurt, but so big that this is for parents, as you can see. I'm painting a rainbow,
Mommy,
but you can see that it's not that
Mommy,
like
mommy,
it's like this. It's not a rainbow.
So it's a recycling project. We're gonna paint that and
Like this.
plant some of our plants, right? So it's chalk paint on the bottom and acrylic paint on top. And what are you doing? Hey?
Mommy, may I get my little plato?
It looks very pretty there. Oh, you're decorating a dish. Ooh, looks really pretty.
What is he making?
He's decorating.
He's making carne.
No, I'm making mía. No, I'm making carne.
Oh, so you're mixing white with pink forever. Okay.
Yellow.
And what do you plan to paint? Are you gonna paint a rainbow?
Yellow
Can you
with
flip it so
red.
we see how it's gonna look like when you finish?
It's not making orange.
You wanna make orange? How do you make orange?
Red and yellow.
Okay. I think you need more yellow. Does it look like orange?
And not a lot, but
If you want a light orange, you probably need more yellow.
more yellow. That's a lot of yellow.
Yeah, you put a lot of red. You're gonna need a lot of yellow now. Maybe you need all the yellow. Maybe you can do the orange right in the yellow. Like instead of putting right there, try to do the orange right here with just a little bit of yellow. Try there, mixing. all the yellow.
Now we're getting it.
Yeah. Now you're getting it.
Come on, let's paint.
Mm-hmm.
This is getting awesome.
It's getting
Awesome.
awesome.
Awesome sauce. Okay. Let's cover all the white spaces.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. I already finished with the orange.
What are you doing?
Painting
Ooh,
for the platter.
what color are you painting with?
Oh, that is a new color.
Brown?
That is a new color.
You created the light brown. It's very cool. And what are you doing?
I'm doing the color yellow.
Yellow. Look at that. This starts looking like a rainbow.
Be careful with this because what I'm painting is with acrylic paints.
Mm.
Yeah.
Use the napkin, please.
But
Don't clean your hand on your clothes. Just please. If you do that, please make sure you're with an adult and use a napkin to cleaning. Not your clothes are not napkins.
And not your head.
Definitely not your head.
And with your hands.
Next, you have to do holes. Make sure that you ask an adult to help you with it. Because you know you could hurt yourself. And this is the result of the pot that we are making. And later you plant some plants inside. You hang it up and then this is your result. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button and put the thumbs up.
We planted some flowers.
Bye.